KHAO SOK National Park from KHAO, 4-hour ferry, 2-hour bus, 6 hours of peeing.
How it looks like. You even got a tree. Less than an hour left. And that's all the bags. That's on this boat. They've definitely oversold some tickets. It's been a fine journey so far. Not bumpy or anything, we just got because I get seasick. We're off the boat. How was the boat journey for you?
Amazing.
Well, I actually got off early, as predicted earlier. But it's only 20 past 1 now. And it's currently 6 o'clock, so that took us 9.5 hours. We're staying in Chillax Hostel, and this is our room. We've got a private room
with a mountain view.
With the
mountain view, that would be beautiful.
With the mountain view. Lovely.
Hello?
And we're paid for a private bathroom as well. So that looks like this. Good morning. I'm so shiny because I'm covered in bug spray because we're going to KHAO SOK National Park. It is now 8:30 in the morning and we are going to check out of our room. There's Kyle doing his bug spray. And we've got 2 more full bottles of bug spray, and we bought a bug spray candle last night to hopefully burn in the bungalow and not burn it down. We've got our backpacks each, so they say you only take a little backpack. So both have got our little backpacks, and then they're keeping our big backpacks here, and then they're going to bring our big backpacks to us tomorrow when they pick us up, and then they're going to take us straight to Phuket.
We're here. Our tour guide is called Bobby. Okay, is our tour guide. Bobby. That's about it.
Waiting to get on the boat.
Yep.
Half an hour journey first on one of them.
It's a good journey, that one.
Very descriptive.
Great.
You had enough life.
Where's my sliders?
Did you get back there? Fuck off, I went there. We've just done the trek through the jungle. Didn't see much, to be honest with you. We're now at the bamboo rafting. I can see 3 spiders, and they're quite big. I don't know if I'm going to cross that one. Got to cross that one. I've got so much
Okay, so this cave is still alive. Because of that, please don't touch anything in the cave. Okay? Ready?
We're in the cave now. We're pretty much finished, to be honest with you. That one's called like walk or something. Looks like
If you touch the rock over there, it'll tell you the lottery numbers. And if you win, you come back and give some money back to the gods, so thank you. But if you take money that's already there, you'll not leave here by yourself. A ghost will come with you.
I think I might take that chance.
Get a ghosty.
Get a ghosty, Casper.
Casper.
This one we call the heart of the cave.
Ah, yeah, right here.
That one. It's not like a mini heart, not like a sticker heart. It's a heart on your body, organ heart.
Yep.
Yeah. So we believe if you are single and you wish for a couple with this stone, you will get your couple back. But if you already have a couple and you still wishing for another, you will get the same sex as you back. Right? If you like a man and you have like a woman and you want for another, you will get a man back.
Wow. Finished the nature coral cave. All done, and now we're going for an evening safari. Evening safari.
We're doing the safari now?
I will.
Wild elephants. Oh, yeah, can you see it? Yeah, I see it. This is absolutely amazing. Crazy stuff like.
Just realised I haven't done a room tour for our room E10. So this is where it is. We've got the little bridge here, the rickety bridge. This is the view outside, and that's where you get your meals. So we've got 2 benches, 1, 2, and then this is the room. So we've got a slidey door to get in, no lock on it. You could pay to get a lock, but I didn't. So we've got a window. This is the view out the window basically just the next one along a little bit to the side in there. Then got a bed, another window here, I think, which is just all the oars for the kayaks, plugs and switches, bedside table and the bed. No quilt, you just get a blanket each, which is fine because it's roasting. The fan, we've just turned the fan on because they only have electric on here at 6 PM till 6 AM, and then the electric's off during the day, so I've just turned the fan on because it's just gone 6. So hopefully that cools the room down because it is sweating. Mirror, hello. And our bathroom, which we paid an extra 400 baht to have because all the other ones just have one shared bathroom, but we wanted our own, so got our own toilet, shower, sink. And the full experience was 2,500 baht per person, so it was 5,000 baht for us both to do it, and then we paid an extra 400 to have the toilet, so that was 5,400 for the full thing, the bungalow, the trips today and tomorrow, dinner today, tea today, breakfast tomorrow and dinner tomorrow is all included in that price. And now a tea in about half an hour or so, and I think it's fish, which is great for me when I hate fish. So I think I'll be having crisps for my tea. That elephant, I think, was the best thing I've ever seen. I've always wanted to see a baby elephant in the wild, and I did. A baby one and like a young one, not an adult, but not a baby. How would you rate your elephant experience?
100 out of 10.
100 out of 10?
Best thing I think I've ever done in my life.
Wow, that is a good statement, but I also agree. Does it beat Kanchanaburi?
Only just mind.
I would say yes, but Kanchanaburi will always be the first one.
Ratings out of 10.
Definitely 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
I think it's one of the best experiences I've had in my life.
That's
No,
what I've just
that's
said.
what Cal just said.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. I think it's one of
Good morning. Good morning. From KHAO SOK National Park and outside our bungalow. It's about 6:15 in the morning. We're going for a safari at past. Our sleep last night was not great. The mattress is rather uncomfortable, and the fan was on all night. The fan was on all night, but it does not keep you cool at all. So we're both red hot, not comfy, and Carl did say it was the worst sleep of his life. So that's not great, is it? But just caught the last of the sunrise there. And now we're gonna go on our safari. We might see some more elephants. We shall see. Breakfast now. We'll leave here at 9:30, and it is now 8:06, so we've got an hour and 20 of free time, and then we've got to go back to the pier where we came from yesterday, and then drive to some restaurant for dinner, I think. So yeah, breakfast was not great. I had some toast that was I think it had been toasted for a while because it was a little bit hard. Sugar wee. Little balls. Oh, they're back. So that's 2 elephant families, monkeys, and wild boars. There's also some huge fish, which I'll show you now, but this is a better view of where we're staying as well. So right over here, that's where you have your food, and then more bungalows. Let's go and see the fish. The fish. Oh, massive. I've got no idea what type of fish they are. To go to Phuket in a VIP private taxi. Who's at my door? Who's at the door? It's you. Arrived in Phuket and we're now here for 4 nights in this room. So front door, and of course we can't be doing anything else except from changing the aircon. No. Bathroom. So we've got a big sink, toilet, and a very large shower with some little free bits and bobs in there. And these are all wardrobes.
Do you see what I see downstairs?
I did see what you see downstairs.
What was it?
Pool bar! You just ruined the elephants! I didn't even get to show them. Fix them. Wardrobe space with a safe and all that stuff, you know. Bags, a big mirror, and then we've got space, desk, telly, and the bed, and the reconstruction of the elephants. Oh! That's the first elephant, and then that's the
That one's me and that one's you.
Why am I so funny looking? Then we've got a nice little area where I'm going to be putting all my stuff. And then you come outside and we've got a balcony. So we've got 2 chairs, a table, and then a view of the pool. This is in Kata Beach and we've never been here before. So I don't really know where everything is, but we'll just have a bit of an explore and see what we can find. He's on the cocktails by the pool.
I have an ear infection.
He's on ear infection, but that's not stopping him having 4 pina coladas by the pool, is it?
What?
I said it's not stopping you having 4 pina coladas by the pool, is it?
No.